Hey YouTubers, what we have here is an iPad 3 and I can tell you that this is a proper fucked up job by some repair shop within our area. The digitizer started falling apart, LCD's been damaged, and surprisingly 2 of the screws were missing from here and here and I couldn't find them. So when I lifted the LCD off, guess what I found? The screws, 2 of the screws are actually hanging here. The adhesive that's not been cleaned, which explains why the digitizer was falling apart. The corner here, they should have sort of pulled it out and it's not been done, which is why the edge of this digitizer was lifted up a little bit. And that's what I call a fuck up. And these are the screws here, and that's what I call a fuck up iPad repair. Thank you very much.